Hi friends, this is Shozy, and I'm here with Laura from Laura's Doll Boutique. Wait, is that right, Laura? Yes, okay. And she's visiting me. Isn't this exciting, you guys? This is so exciting. I'm so glad to have Laura here. Anyway, we went shopping today. We had such a great time. And this is going to be a quick video because we wanted to show you some things that I got in the mail. Now, Laura's been making her way across the U.S. and she's been doing some Love Shack fancy cool things herself. And so I had to order mine. But she's gotten some fun stuff, you guys do, haven't you, Laura? What have you gotten from American Girl, AG?
So far, I got the tea set.
Oh, yay! It's so cute, you guys, too.
My next thing is going to be the sweater. Possibly, I know I'm going to get the shoes.
Okay.
And I'm going to get probably the sweater, the little sleeveless sweater that goes underneath.
Yeah, that's a cute piece too. It's kind of irresistible.
What I'm planning on doing is getting a little bit of something from each one of the AG stores that I go to.
Awesome. How many have you been to so far on your trip out here?
Just two.
Two's a lot. That's good. Because I've only been to one in my whole life. So that's good.
I'm going to LA.
Okay.
We've got a pretty big meet there.
Yay.
I think there's 5 of us going to go to the bistro.
Awesome. That's
Then
gonna be fun.
I've got about 2 more stops, and then I will be going to San Francisco.
San Francisco. Okay, cool. Oh, that's going to be fun.
Then I go to Sacramento.
I want to go with you.
I'll go to Sacramento, and that is going to be my determining point.
Okay.
Depending how finances and my body and everything else goes, I want to go on up to Seattle. Because I got Gwen, and I also got Corrine. And I want to take them to the mountain and actually play in the snow. Yeah,
that's beautiful. Yeah, I get it. Yeah. I've been to Seattle once. We went up in the Space Needle. It was amazing. Yeah, amazing. Seattle's a wild place. We went on the, one of the,
Well, turn that to you. I don't want it on me.
Well, hold on a second, you guys. Okay, here we are again. I actually went on one of the ferries over to Port Gamble at the time. And man, it was such a quaint little, it was like Walton's Mountain except on an island. It was so quaint and cute. And it was amazing. It was just amazing. You don't realize how much water there is up there, you know. And what at that time, this is about, oh gosh, it had to have been 15, 20, 25 years ago, 20 years ago, how much actual, what the genre of people that were up there, the culture and the counterculture and all that kind of stuff. It was pretty wild. It was pretty cool, actually, to a certain extent. So, yeah, it was pretty neat. So if you get to go that far, you'll enjoy it. You'll enjoy it.
I lived there as a teenager because my dad was in the Army.
Over to Laura here again. You see Laura? Okay.
I lived there when I was a teenager.
Okay.
Dad was in the Army. Then I've taken both of my kids on the cross-country trip. And we've been up there and been to Mount Rainier.
Okay, so you know.
So, yeah.
You're familiar. You're very familiar with it. Yeah.
This time, no kids.
Yeah, that's right. Kidless.
I am just going to be me and my dogs.
That's cool. That's really awesome.
And all my awesome AGIG friends that I'm going to get to see on the way.
That's right. That's awesome. That is very liberating and very courageous and cool of you, I feel. So good for you.
Oh, well, thank you.
Yeah, I think that's
There's
cool.
just so many nice people.
Yeah.
And I've been to Vermont 2 or 3 times
Mm-hmm.
to meet a very dear friend there.
Yeah.
And so then I come this way to meet a very dear friend.
Oh,
And
I've enjoyed your visit so much. We've had a blast, you guys.
And then I'm going to go meet some other people that, you know, eventually they may become my very dear friends.
Yes.
I did meet I can't ever remember.
I know the handles are like, you know, AG doll, blah, blah, blah. And you know, it's always AG
American
something.
Girl Wonders.
Yes. Okay. I mean, they're great names, but it's like, oh my gosh, they all blend into one after a while, you know, unless they're totally unique, you know.
I met her and her daughter and her granddaughter. They're such a sweet
Oh, that's
family.
awesome. That's awesome.
And then I also got to see Colleen, who let the dolls out.
I love that. Who let the dolls out? That's hysterical.
I met her in New York, and she moved to Texas. So I also got to meet her again in Texas.
That's cool. That's really fun. That's, you know, to find somebody that you've, you know, seen in one place and then get to see in another place again, you know, so you've reconnected basically.
American Girl Wonders Marie is going to be in the AG meeting
in LA. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
See, this is really,
because she lives there. Her daughter and granddaughter live in Texas, so she just goes back and forth.
That's very cool.
She needs her own plane.
Yeah. Some people do. They just need their own plane. That's very awesome. Well, thank you for joining us tonight, Laura. I guess we're not going to get to this opening right this second. We're going to have to make a second video because this has been so much fun just sharing time, you know, with you and talking about some of the hi there again. Talking about some of the stuff that we've been able to talk about on your travels and things like that. And we have some great adventures planned too. So you guys are going to have to keep watching if you want to know what we're up to. If you don't hit that notification bell. But I know you want to. Okay, we're signing off. Bye from me, Shozy. You remember? Don't forget to subscribe and all that kind of good stuff. And
bye.
From Laura. And don't forget to follow her too at Laura's American Doll Boutique. She has an Etsy store too. Check her out. Thank you. Bye, guys. So, hi there, friends. This is Shozy. And as you know, I'm here with Laura. And I'm going to open what you wondered what was in this box. So, without further ado, well, here's the Love Shack fancy stuff. This is really cool. And I do like the little, don't you like the little embossment kind of?
Do.
Isn't that pretty on there,
I
Laura?
think this is really pretty.
Yeah, I do too. That's what really drew me. Besides it being, you know, a sweater, because I love dolls and sweaters.
And I like the open pattern.
That I did too. And then I did get this skirt, and I think it's, yeah, it is a high-low skirt. I think it's a high-low skirt. And I really have a thing for high-low skirts lately. It should be. Yeah, it is. It is the high-low skirt, see? Okay. So that's pretty cute. And Laura's seen these in person. But now, you still don't know who I've got, huh? But you do see this. And DK books are awesome. Just so you know, DK books are full of great information. I used to have one on Star Wars, and I had some other ones, but Laura's already looked through this, and it's really awesome and
Everybody,
cool.
if you just kind of look, you can see. You don't need to see the name.
Yeah, you know who it is. Okay. It's number 92. Yep. And this was so weird because as soon as, thanks, Laura. And she is a street chic. Sorry, she is a street chic. And as soon as I ordered her, she disappeared off the website. So, and I've already oh, sure, I say this. I always say this. Oh, I've already got her out. No, she's not coming out, folks. Her thing is stuck. Okay. I don't know how Shauna does this for sofa dolls. She just gets in there and just opens them right up and they come right out. And I'm just like, okay, 20 minutes later, we might have a doll in the box. But then again, let's just look at her in the box. Isn't she cute in the box? I think this is great. All right, there we go. But so let me, because I know you're excited to see her hair. And I really want to get this hairnet out. So let me stop that real fast, Laura. And then we'll be right back and we'll show you her hair. Okay, hold on.